In primetime news this evening, in-drive breaks silence on teacher's murder. Scary landing. Probe launched into American airline flight after arrival in Jamaica. And the JCF seeking new head of crime.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, this evening we're talking about investments at our ports. Kingston Wharves Limited says it plans to spend $100 million over the next 5 years. What's that all about? I'll tell you later in the financial week.
And also to tell us what's going on in sports, Jordan Fort is here.
Well, Gio, Reggae Boys head coach Jaime Hall-Grimson says the Reggae Boys could have done better despite starting their World Cup campaign with a win yesterday. I'll tell you more about that. Plus, the West Indies are back in action at the ICC T20 World Cup. More on that in Primetime Sports Friday.
I know that you hear cricket and you get excited.
I was excited.
I think in your other life you would have been a cricketer, right?
Absolutely.
Anyway, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your views on the state of the market in your area?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.